With the help of a friend, we've set the rails on top of the truck bed, and now we're ready to secure them to your quick clamps. To start, we'll slide 2 of the 3/4 inch bolts into the T-slot, slide the first one down in the center of the rail, your second one, and make sure they go down through the slot in your clamp. You'll want to repeat this process on the other side of the truck bed, and then we'll move on to the cab. Now at the cab end of the truck, lift the rails and slide 1 3/4 inch bolt into the T-slot on both sides of the bed, and then lower the cab end of the rails so that the bolt inserts into the slot. Now you can loosely place the washer and nut onto the 6 mounting bracket bolts at this time. Hand tighten them only. We'll now set the rails front to back using the tailgate. Use a 3/16 object like a drill bit to set the lower portion of the rail from the tailgate. The top of your end cap should overhang your tailgate slightly. Do this on both sides. At the cab end of the truck, use a tape measure. Measure from the inside lip of the truck bed to the inside edge of the rail to center your frame from side to side. With the rails spaced 3/16 from the tailgate and centered up at the cab from side to side, we're now ready to tighten your rails down to the front mounting clamps only. Tighten until snug, do not over tighten. Repeat this process on the other side. With the rails tightened down to the front clamps only, we'll now flare the front rail crosspiece seal out onto the top edge of your truck bed rail. On some models where the rail crosspiece seal hangs over the front of the truck bed, tuck the seal under.